A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. In this session, we will deal with the topic Receipts and Payments Account. A receipts and payment account is a summary of actual cash receipts and payments extracted from the cash book over a certain period. All cash received and paid during the period, whether capital or revenue, is included in this account. Transactions involving cash receipts are recorded on debit side and those involving cash payments are recorded on credit side. Its balance is carried over to receipts and payments account of the next year. All the receipts are grouped under main headings such as entrance fees, annual subscription, life membership subscription, donations, interest and sundry receipts. All the payments are entered on the credit side under main headings such as salaries and wages, printing and stationery, rent, rates and taxes, office expenses, etc. The receipts and payments account commences with the opening balance of cash and similarly closes with the balance of cash at the end of the period. As it is a mere summary of cash transactions, it does not include any income or expenditure outstanding and naturally fails to reveal the actual income or expenditure of the period it covers. Next is about format or specimen of receipts and payments account. In receipts and payment account, there is receipts column on the debit side which is used to record all receipts and a payment column on credit side which is used to record all payments made by a non-trading concern or non-profit making organizations during a specific accounting period, usually 1 year. This is a format or specimen of receipts and payments account. Features of receipts and payments account. The main features of receipts and payments account are as follows. It is summarized form of cash book. It starts with opening cash and bank balance and ends with their closing balances. All receipts are recorded on its left hand side, that is debit side, and all the payments are recorded on its right side, that is credit side. Receipts and payments of both capital and revenue nature are recorded in it. It includes all cash and bank receipts and payments during the current year, whether they are related to current, past or future accounting periods. Transactions related to cash and bank only are recorded in it. It excludes all non-cash items. This account is not a part of the double entry system. It is a duplicate of the cash book. It shows cash positions only, not surplus or deficit for the period. It generally shows debit balance. In case of bank overdraft, its bank balance will be credit. It may also show nil balance, but it is rare. It is prepared at the end of the accounting period. The various entries that come under receipt, that is debit side, are balance brought down, that is previous balance if any, cash in hand, cash at bank, subscriptions, general donations, interest on fixed deposits, interest on investments, locker rent, sale of scrap, sale of investment, sale of fixed assets, life membership fees, entrance fees, and balance carried down, that is nothing but the overdraft. The various entries that come under payment, that is credit side, are balance brought down, that is overdraft, wages and salaries, rent, rates and taxes, insurance, printing and stationery, advertisement, sundry expenses, telephone charges, entertainment charges, audit fees, purchase of assets, purchase of investments, and finally balance carried down, that is transferred to cash or bank account, which is nothing but the balancing figure.